Hope everyone is back and see my screen and can hear me loud. So we have 5 people so far. Let's wait for another 2 minutes. Otherwise, it's okay. Everyone is on the same page. We'll be on. So if you see every result of us, whatever we have given, every result has in URL linkedin.com/in title, what are the titles we have given, and then location, and then additional keywords like cloud related ones. And as we are already on a Google, I'm not using a operator and, but otherwise if we are using some of the portals, then we should use and, but otherwise space itself is an and for Google. So now we given the additional keywords like client or customer or customers, then generating a lead, cold calling, lead generation, sales, selling, and everything. Now again, we can see only 30 results. Scroll down, repeat themselves. So I have now 1,49,000. Earlier I had some 3 lakh change, but now I get some 1,49,000. So let's see. Enterprise account manager at AWS looks good. Earlier technical solution manager, principal consultant, and from Bangalore. From Bangalore, cloud sales manager at Salesforce looks good. Inside account manager at VMware. Then we have some of the words like business development, product development. Looks good. VMware also one of the keyword related to our search from the cloud thing. So these were the profile earlier. All looks good as per based on our earlier keywords. Now let's search for the latest ones with additional keywords with in titles, all this, any one of the phrase from this in title, and then in text, all this, in URL, this part. Okay. So how the search would look like is something in URL linkedin.com/in in, in title sales manager, account manager or business development, and in text selling or sales. Okay. That in text is not actually required. Okay, so this is how our search would look like, and this is what we have given completely as it is. Pulkit Sinha, Ipsita, Neeraj, Sandeep, Madan. So yeah, he's an account manager at VMware. Keywords like sales is reflecting in his profile. business, account, inside sales, best sales representative, worldwide, account, sales selling, whichever we given, sales selling, customer, client, either of the words are reflecting. So territory account manager, manage sales, business development, sales and marketing. So that's the magic of using in URL. So basically when I'm using in URL, I'm trying to target either a specific site. Next session will cover what is a site search or touch base on Google search filter and SIT, site operator. So this site operator is nothing but X-ray. You can practice only on this much for now because we are increasing the complexity of our search or how we have to search. So we have to practice a lot. Are we good? Now I'll see. These are all the LinkedIn profiles I'm getting. Related LinkedIn.com. Is there any other platform? Okay, Facebook, Twitter, Stumble, Hotsuite. Enhance your social media management with Hotsuite, the leading social media dashboard. Manage multiple networks and profile and measure. Let me see what is it. First time I'm hearing. Pinterest, Crunchbase, yeah, amazing. Crunchbase has a lot of profiles. MySpace, not really sure. So now we're trying to see which are competitors for LinkedIn or which are related site where we can get the profiles the way we got on a LinkedIn. So that's reason now I've used a operator related and then LinkedIn.com. Angel list, online AO net, online desk aid, job seeker help, job recommendation, Foursquare, brand yourself, Flickr, find inspiration, Quora, USA job, person, the world's learning, get to know who we are and what we have to offer. Our mission is simple to help people make progress in their lives and learning. Genentech, this is one of the pharmaceutical company. Spoke, Forbes, so maybe C-level executives, I'll get it from Forbes or business or high-paying jobs, ladder, Ning. Okay, Ning is good. Create your own social network. Clearance job. So many. So let's explore one by one and see how our profile or how one can create a profile in it because we wanted to search for profiles. Feature theme pricing. First thing, understand, is it free or do I need to do a paid up for being for creating a profile? So looks like feature themes pricing, platform monetization uses the cookies to ensure the best user experience in the website and guaranteed flawlessly performs. So not a right profile for me and also not from India. At least if the product is global also, but we need some profiles from India. Forbes. Forbes is good for C-level executives, like finding out founders, directors, and all. Okay, Quora. So I'm on Quora. Let me look at my own profile. Great. So Quora.com/profile. Let me look at Shailesh profile. Quora.com/profile, then name. Let me look at someone else's profile. Okay, this much is enough. I'll take this part. So our string is very lengthy. That's how the Google has given us the results from LinkedIn. But let's see, because LinkedIn profiles has a maximum information, but Quora may not be every person should have so much of information like his name and then his title, but there is no text field. Let me look at my profile if I have some of the text field. Okay, so I have a field of name, I have a field of title, I have a field of text. So I've also given a very limited information because I don't know how many characters it takes, not really sure. I think it takes as many as characters, but not people are fond of uh, putting a lot of things in their Quora page. Knows about Amazon, IBM, Capgemini, and all. Okay, let's use. First, let's see how many comes. This I should be small. In URL quora.com/profile and the link title and everything. So we got 8 profiles. That is also good enough. 9 profiles. Getting a profiles from such kind of a sites might not be, sometimes they are available on LinkedIn or any of the job portals, but I get them over here. Ashish Pratik, InstaSafe, Business Development Manager at InstaSafe. He has done MBA and XYZ. Aditya, Business Development Manager at Genesis Technology, Oracle Sales, Oracle Database, strong sales professional, skilled, customer relationship management, and all. Yeah, even this profile is also good. I'll ask him a question whether he's open for a job or not. In LinkedIn, I'll directly try to connect with him and open a communication. Wherein in Quora, I'll go to his profile, I'll follow, then I'll try to ask a question. Why is it not allowing? Okay, message. Hey, you know what? I've looked at your Quora profile and I was trying to search for some business development managers for Bangalore location, and this is for this company XYZ. Details I'll mention, I'll say send. Let me see if this guy is existing on LinkedIn. Aditya Liringampalli, he is, yes, he's on LinkedIn, he's on Angel, business development manager. Looks he has spread across in a lot of places. Yeah, property advisor. Yeah, inurl. These operators are really magical operators. And inurl LinkedIn and business development manager. So I see he is on LinkedIn, he is on People Per Hour, he's on Monster, he's on Facebook, he's on Quora, the one which we have seen 3 minutes ago. So 17 results now. And LinkedIn. So we have fetched all the web results where he could be available. Okay, so that's about finding profiles on Quora. So now let's see a different one. Okay, start free, find your inspiration. Join the Flickr community home to tens of billions of photos and 2 million. Oh my God. I think this is to share photos. I don't have anything on this. Sign up. Okay, that's a Lundi profile thing. In URL. In URL Flickr. And in URL Flickr may say user. Okay, in URL whenever I'm using and if I'm using or operator, I'm not using space or for in URL operator. For in URL, understand, for intitle intext we can use, but not for in URL. In URL has to be in continuation because no URL, whichever the URL throughout the globe you see, whichever the URL, even this URL, there is no space. Either it is hyphen or forward slash. So that's reason while creating an operator in URL, we are not giving any space while using or. We are using pipe. User, profile, what else it could be? About me. I'm just guessing what could be the how the profiles or individual profiles of people on Flickr look like. I just want one Flickr profile. Okay, I got groups and then profile. This looks like some discussion part. Okay, this go. Okay, flickrphotos.com. Let me see this. So flickr.photos.com. Let me see this. Okay, so it's like flickr.com/photos and their name. Let me see some Indian profile. So I have one photo stream about. I'll go to about. Hello friends. So I have a good enough text over here. Website, October, views, tags, country, India, and all. Okay. So now we'll say, not really sure if it is in URL, flickr.com. We'll leave this part. Let's see how many people from India are on Flickr. Only 27 people from India are on people. Okay, and there are some false positive result about British, about US. So I just need a right profile about Ankur. Family travel photo follow photos. And one more additional software engineer. So I'll say occupation. In URL flickr.com/people and occupation as an additional keyword. Now I see 30. Let's repeat. Okay, India, views, groups, websites. So this could be his title, occupation. Good. Inder Gopal, Harry, Captain Suresh, Ankur, Samal Legaush. Okay, his software is being limit. So Inder Gopal, his occupation is a photographer. Somewhere he would have mentioned something about the sales, but otherwise mostly yeah, in Flickr I've get not a right thing to target for Indian market, but yeah, we find the way how to find the profiles from Flickr as well. Sales. Many of them are photographer. So basically it looks like this is a photography site or something. But otherwise, I just wanted to explore how to view profiles and individual profiles rather. So that's about Flickr. Then reputation, brand yourself, one net, Angel. Angel list is quite interesting. Here we have some of the good profiles. Angel.co, inurl, trying to find same thing. Profile or oh, this is some radar. User, we need one profile so that we understand how the URL pattern of individual profile would look like. I'm trying to search for the same thing. Otherwise, best thing, engel.io, visit the profile. Let me see if I'm on Angel list. Login with Google. If you want to understand, if you're not getting from the search, better we create our own profile and see how our profile URL is looking like. Okay, angel.co /u/ my email kind of stuff. View your public profile. Okay, so this is this part. Let's go in URL. Says Bangalore. Okay, this is taking as a Bengaluru. Okay, Bangalore or Bengaluru. So Quora we found in URL angel.co angel.co /u. Okay, one result because we were looking for cloud seller. And so many things. Maybe Angel is not giving me an option to give these many things in my profile. So let me cut short. Still do. Okay, I'll not use intitle also. I'll just go with this. Still do. Yeah, not many because Angel is basically for software engineers or startup guys, founders. Or there might be another type of URL pattern. Monica Hospital, fake science. Yeah, kind of, but not many profile. A number of profiles I already got on LinkedIn, but if I have additional time, then I go with the Quora or Crunchbase is interesting. I've used earlier. So just to show you Crunchbase. Crunchbase is for CTOs or C-level executives, basically. Founder, directors. So if you see, I got some 5K8 results. This was the format of a Crunchbase. Instead of site, if I use in URL also, it's fine. So we got 32 results. I'll let you know the difference between site and in URL. Just see, in URL I'm using this, but when I try to target the particular site, you'll see the number of results. I have 588 now, but when I'm using the same thing with in URL, that's the reason I told site will cover it later, but today only touch base on a site as we have only 8 minutes left for a session. 32. Site is the advanced one, which comes in a X-ray search, but otherwise, just to explain or help you in understanding how does in URL works. All our individual profiles like managing director, co-founder, CEOs, head of, co-founder, and all. And all are female results. I wanted a diversity last time. I was trying to search for such kind of a profiles who are in a CEO level or a director level, female candidates. That's the reason I gave the gender female. Otherwise, I don't have to give these also. Good. Are we good? Any questions on in URL, in title, in text, related, why to use related, why to use in URL, why to use in title, and why to use in text is not required actually, but I've just mentioned here. LinkedIn anyhow has lot many results. So more complex. Now this will fetch me a results from Quora and Angel. Or maybe a Crunchbase. Don't get confused. Sometime I'm using or, sometime I'm using pipe, just to keep you into the practice. Okay, this is not working. So instead, I'll say in URL, Quora, pipe, in URL, Angel, pipe, in URL. So here, if you see, after using in URL operator, I'm not giving any space, but I wanted a profile either from Angel or from Quora or from Crunch. That is why I'm using space or operator, space in URL, then space or operator. I think we should have one more follow-up session on this. It might be a bit confusing. Now I see 33 results. I get some of the results from Quora, most of the results from Quora, Quora. Then one, two from Crunchbase and one from Angel. 2,30,000 results. We have a lot of results from Quora. Okay, let me remove Quora. We have many from Crunchbase. Angel.co, maybe there's another pattern of a person profile. So that's reason we are getting very limited results, but otherwise you see all from Crunchbase. And instead of in URL, if we are using site, then we are targeting a particular site, and that is where the results differs. We'll cover in our next session the difference of in URL and site. So hope we are good for today. Please open up, talk loud. In case of any questions, please do ask.